Anisas.
Haka Praterik uyayong hajar pesan hadirin bayu ajing ujor na kipat ba halor gajing jabo jang kidukan dairi sha ha renja kaseng hitu Shillong City ha gajing trelang bat kador bash nong renja kilalet banchek bat labba na kikat tu kat ni kidukan karachri dairi kamlong kabukhut kabasuba ha gajing net jurep kaseng kalalapru ba kadukan kambiang ya ka trading license bat kileba license lalapru ba kinong tre kani kadukan kide kibaladon dak snio ha kaan
Baik kan Ramadan itu Gajing bam tuntut.
Si siap tak ada itu, Pak.
Kan ini belas amit no syu baik.
Veg. Alu.
Oi. तो भी बोला था नीचे में आप लोग घरों नहीं गया
Garu.
कितना आदमी
3 को. Garu को भी चाहिए क्या?
नहीं घरों नहीं चाहिए
जल्दी करो
फेट रहा रे सनी ओय
तो अभी फुलो खला कोई सोन नहीं का बोला
तेरी करो
Garu है वो तो 3 को.
घरों चार बड़ा
उनको भी चाहिए तो ले चलेगा.
नहीं
चल
चुनुन तो सही है
अरे यार तू बाद में
Gue punya Ramadan ada deh.
Saya khas sekarang
Bayarin apa dia mana?
As you see, as you go down also.
Those criminal records of yours also of your when you came for brothers, they came here without labor license, driving license. Doesn't work like that. No, they I have proof with me. I have proof with me. Don't argue about that. I have proof with me.
whatever I have seen from there criminal report to
And then that day the incident happened in
Where do we see actually connected?
they have staff.
You're not cooperating with the owner. You're not doing according to the.
Why will I not cooperate? Cooperating is there through the strong also is involved.
We want to close the shop. We no considering, no negotiate, no nothing. No nothing. That is directly I've been telling you.
At least something done.
My words, considering.
There is always a long
No, why would
This shop has been, how many times has been closed down? Because of food and safety. How many times tell me?
This was not regarding to LCP, there was some issue with the owner.
Because of dirtiness, huh?
No.
Don't mind me, I know.
No, sir.
Even the Ramadan also, even the Ramadan has told me.
No,
It was closed before also, 2-3 times.
No, once it was closed, that was because of the landowner and myself and the other strong leader.
I know about that.
And that I know we resolved. and I listen to the song. Whatever song said, I listen to the song.
How do you listen to your song? Not even labor license you are making for your labor. How did you claim yourself that
Because labor
you cooperated with
that labor registration is there, sir. That from that.
show me?
That new labor. Who was that labor? Yeah, labor.
Ini nakaliang yung kaito long si, akan ni si kapatrik yung April, iwan mencek di labor license convention. Yung ini kita kan non tribal kita bisa kita ibadan ini renjak. Jadi ini try lang makasnong. Ayun kami kat irang badong. Hadian bangilawan inspect nilap mo kita kasyat di Jakasa di kilong kijabo bah, mendai tang mamunu pengaruh kita jabo kita topi bah karkom try gitu ki. Hadian menginap ikut selang jongki labor license training license work training license tu bon di pelakon. Labor license ni dia bon di pomdan hira bon di ba kimdan hirma kim renew kimdan ni ke min ai kini buat sa food and safety hadinya trailang bekasnong. Hadian menginap ada penkhang talai kawai ka dukan jong non tribal. Urang ba sabi ngila IT hakasnong hai irang badang. Kani ka first checking ka jongi kanang itulan nang nismat kawai ngaspa aku buat sepat ba ala da pirong hakini diary dah share banbam giding bam namar ba ma nabar di internet di don tiles di don di pendiang di pentre andre wat sepo pat ka jingjeing ka berserkai ba hadian bangi yat ya ka ni yat ya ka inspection ka jongi ni yo dingkep kinjan ki non tribal ki ba wan ri tengan senia ki bladon ka criminal record nabar with proof kata ni yo ki dan criminal record tinggal pungkang telah saya kalukan hadian ngin sa semrai ngin ya keren bagi sian ngin ya likmi sa department of health ki badai ban pet ban kmi dan kania hadian jong atang ngin sa meeting ngin sa sem badai karai senjam kai boleh tang tai police buat